What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Nike Air Max 720 ISPA Black. Alright, these sneakers were released September 7th, 2019 between the retail price of $200 and $230. Alright, let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Now, if you don't have these sneakers already, they come in a brown box. It says ISPA on it. These sneakers has its own box, alright? It's just not just any Nike box. ISPA, alright, designed just for these sneakers, alright? Let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers, alright? You guys notice the tab behind it, the sneaker, the rubber tab, which is orange. It comes with an extra tab, and this color is green. You notice the thick bubbles. These bubbles are very thick, meant for comfortability. And it says on the back of the heels, on the bubbles, contains high pressure nitrogen, if you guys can see that. Which means these sneakers are very futuristic sneakers. The design is unbelievable. I love the design. It's very different from any other sneakers I ever seen before. I've seen a lot of Air Max. The design of this one is very futuristic. It looks like something you see in like the future or something like that. I love the grips that it has on the bottom of the sneakers, okay? They're like cleats or something like that. You know what I mean? Let's say it was snowing, or you had slippery ground. There was things on the floor to make you fall. These grips right here will definitely keep you intact. I can't seem to notice this little holes on these sneakers, okay, for some breathing, so your feet can get some air in. That's very cool. I like that design, you know what I mean? And also it's got different color, how do you say, tabs, okay? This material that's back here is what these things are made of. These green things are made of. They're just connected between the bubbles and the sole, giving it a very, very strong look. This thing looks undestroyable. This thing right here looks like a car, like an undestroyable car. I bet if somebody was running in these, if you were running in these, they definitely grip the ground very well. I like the design. The design, like I said, is very futuristic. I also heard this is made of 70% recycled material. Very environmentally friendly, which means Nike's not doing any harm to the earth. They just make these sneakers out of stuff that's already been used. So that's another reason to buy this. The price for this is between $200 and $230. These sneakers right here, they're kind of in their own league. You know what I'm saying? I've never seen a sneaker like this that's been designed like this. There's a lot of Air Max that's been released this year. None of them look close to what this looks like, all right? Different, the materials are soft. They actually feel like clothing, all right? That's what they feel like. The ISPAs, they're comfortable, they grip the ground well. It contains high pressure nitrogen. I can't wait to see what that feels like on my feet. You know what I mean? Most definitely. I'm gonna go put this on right after I make this video. Well guys, I've now come to the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet and you're just watching this video for the first time, please click that subscribe button, share my video, and come back again, alright? And if you're already subscribed, click that like button, share my video, and come back again, alright? Thank you everybody for watching my video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you guys later. One easy.